Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to sew down a lace frontal to a black wig cap. So with that said, let's jump right into the video. So first thing first, you want to go ahead and take your black wig cap. Right here I'm using a spandex cap. So you want to go ahead and place the wig cap on your mannequin head. Okay, so next you need to secure the wig cap to the mannequin head using some pins. So you need to pin the cap all the way around so to prevent it from moving or sliding when you're walking with the lace frontal. So next, take a lace frontal and place it on top of the mannequin head. Place it where you need it to sit. Okay. So first thing first, you need to secure the middle part of the lace down. So take your pin and pin down the middle point, as you can see right here. So now you can walk on the side of the lace for the front. So you walk on one side first before walking on the other side. So just take your pin and gently smooth the lace frontal across the forehead and also the hairline. So just position it where you want it to sit, making sure that the lace is sitting flat on the mannequin head. So if take your time, smooth it out to make sure the lace is sitting flat across the front of the mannequin head. Take a pin and pin the lace to the mannequin head. So once you're done with one side of the front, you need to work on the other side. So at this point, you can remove the middle pins you placed earlier to help you adjust the front better. So doing the same thing, you want to make sure that the lace is laying flat across the front of the mannequin head. So take your time, adjust the lace and pin it to the mannequin head. You can pull it a little bit, but not overdo it. Just pull it a little bit to help it sit better on the mannequin head. Take a pin and pin it in place. The next step is to pin the back of the lace to the black cap, as you can see right here. So again, doing the same thing, you want to walk on one side of the lace first before walking on the other side. Okay, so once you're done pinning the lace to the black cap, the next step now is to take your needle and thread and start sewing down the lace frontal. So you want to walk on one side first before moving on to the other side. So at the elastic band area, you want to make sure to pass the needle through the elastic band, the black cap, and the lace to secure the elastic band in place to the lace. Okay, so once you get to the middle point of the lace, you need to secure that last part in place. Now you need to take your thread cutter or scissors and cut the thread, making sure to leave a little bit of thread hanging like I'm doing in this video. Okay, so now you need to walk on the other side. So you need to sew the other side of the frontal, doing the same thing. Take your time, don't rush the process, just take your time and sew it properly. So once you get to the middle point of the lace at the back, you need to cut the thread again, making sure to leave a little bit of thread hanging so that way you can tie both threads together to secure them in place. So I will show you in a second. So right here, I'm going ahead to cut out the second thread right there, as you can see. So now you need to tie both threads together to secure them in place. Okay, so this is it right here. Perfect. So before going ahead to sew down the hair bundles, you need to cut out the black cap under the lace. So I'll show you in a second. So to cut out the black cap, you need to remove the wig cap from the mannequin head. Just remove the pins so that way you can take the wig out of the mannequin head. So now you need to take your scissors and cut out the black cap under the lace. Okay, you need to cut out the black cap under the lace. When doing this, you need to be careful, pay attention to what you're doing so you don't accidentally cut the lace. So pay attention to what you're doing and only cut out the black cap. All done. So this is how the wig cap is looking after cutting out the black cap underneath. Okay, so now that you've cut out the black cap underneath the lace, you can now pin it back to the mannequin head and sew down your hair bundles to the black cap. So once you've done sewing down your hair bundles to the black cap, the next step is to cut out the excess lace in front of the wig. So just take your time, cut along the hairline on the lace. Gently and gently cut it out. So once that is done, your wig is ready and you can now style it however you want. So I cut a little bit of baby hairs, as you can see right here. Right now, I'm just going ahead to put the hair into a half ponytail hairstyle. All right, guys, so we've come to the end of today's video. As always, if you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. And also, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell so that way whenever I post a new video, you will get notified. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all for subscribing, and I'll see you all in my next one.